So yesterday question, how many of you solved? Have you all solved yesterday's question? Please. Yes, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So answers are distance is equals to 15.71 and displacement is equals to 14.14. Is it correct?
Sir, 2 root 10.
Yeah, of course. 10 root 2. 10 root 2 or 14.14. Whatever it is right on. Is it correct, everybody? So I have taken the circular path. So as we all knows, the question they are saying that how much journey it has been completed. All of you. 1/4 of the journey. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 1/4 of the journey is completed. Then they are asking find the distance and as well as displacement. So you can take at any point. So for example, I started from this point. So I reached to this point B and next point is C, next point is D. So by reaching to the B, my journey is completed how much, guys? My journey is completed 1/4. Is it right or wrong? All of you? So now they are asking what is the distance. So we all know distance means in a circular path which is equals to 2 pi r. So now as they completed only 1/4 of journey, so 1/4 of 2 pi r, so which is equals to 1/4 into, okay, 2 into pi value 22/7 into r value. What is the r value given? Radius of 10. Is it yes or no? Everyone?
Yeah.
Respond. That is what. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 fives are. That's fine. So 22 into 5 divided by 7, so which is equals to 110 divided by 7 meters. So what is the answer? 15.71 meters. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All of you. That is what. Next, displacement they are asking. So displacement means what, guys? We all know displacement means what? Shortest distance, the shortest path between initial point and final point. So this is what, as we know, our initial point and final point. Now they are asking the what is the displacement. So displacement means we know this is the shortest path. So what is the theorem we'll apply here for finding the displacement? We'll apply the Pythagoras theorem. So we all know displacement is equals to, yes, displacement is equals to what is it now? AB. Is it yes or no, guys? Please respond. All of you? No response. So let me take this point is O and we all know so radius is 10 meters and here also radius will be 10 meters. So AB is equals to what will come? Pythagoras theorem. All of you. Root of what will come, guys? OA square plus OB square. Is it right or wrong? No response.
Sir.
Yes, Mari. So which is equals to root of 10 square plus 10 square. So which is equals to how much, guys? Root of 200. Clear? Understood or not? So root of 200, I can write it as a root 2 into 100. So which I can write as a root 2 into root 100. So root 100 means which is equals to what? 10 into root 2. So that is what answer. How much is the answer? Displacement is equals to everybody 10 root 2 meters. Or else root 2 value is 1.414. Okay, which is equals to 14.14. 14.14 meters. Okay, Lingesh, Kishore, understood?
Yes, sir.
That is what you have. Any doubt, anyone? Please let me know. Are you all clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So please make it. So this is what it is. Next. Okay. Next. Plot the velocity time graph. Plot the velocity time graph. Next question. Very, very important question. Plot the velocity time graph. Plot the velocity time graph. Velocity time graph for a body. First, deaccelerating. Be very careful. First, deaccelerating uniformly, then having uniform motion and then accelerating motion. So can you answer please? Accelerating uniformly. So this is what it is. So you have to draw the graph. So let me see first who will draw first. Unable to hear me, everybody? Kishore, Gokul Raj. It's a very simple graph it is. So who is missing, Mr. Mari? Pranav and
Sir, Pranav and
leave it. That I'll fill. Okay, no problem. Agalya, can you hear me? Shivani? So this is the question. So we have to draw the graph. So let us draw the graph now. Observe first, read the question what they are saying. We have to draw the which graph? All of you verify it. Which graph we have to draw?
sir,
Velocity.
first we need to draw deaccelerating body, sir.
Yeah, we have to draw
Then
velocity
we need
time
to
graph.
draw
Let it be first. We have to draw velocity time graph. Okay, so that is the first thing. Next, what is our duty? We have to make first. You have to mention everything properly. Mr. Sanjay, can you understand the question? No response means no use, Sanjay. I'm saying it. You have to be interact with me, and we people only like a family. We are studying here. Yeah. So this is the x-axis. Whomever it is not speaking, you can leave from the meeting. Mr. Sailesh, you mainly. So time is yes. And what is that x-axis? What will come? Everybody, y-axis. Y-axis, it is what?
Velocity.
What is the unit of velocity, everybody? Units of velocity. Units of velocity.
Meter per second.
Meter per
Per
second.
second.
Now, first what they are saying, first deaccelerating uniformly. Deaccelerating uniformly means how it will come. Downwards or upward curve? Everybody.
the curved downwards.
Downwards.
Means body is already having some velocity. From there it is deaccelerating. Is it yes or no? Will you all accept it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Next. From that point, it is going in a what direction? Everybody. From there.
Uniform motion.
Uniform motion. So uniform motion means, can you tell me how it is? Uniform motion means
Yes.
acceleration is what?
Straight up, sir. Like linear.
Upwards.
Sir,
What, Mari? Accelerated motion. Uniform motion means what is
linear.
acceleration?
Linear.
Yeah,
Linear to
linear to whom? Parallel to whom, guys?
x-axis.
Axis. Because
Time
uniform motion means what is the acceleration? Uniform motion means what is the acceleration, guys?
Zero.
That is what I wanted. Are you clear? All of you. That is what. And this is what? Uniform acceleration or deacceleration? Uniform decreasing. So uniform, everybody.
Deceleration.
Deacceleration. This is uniform motion. And after that again what? Accelerating uniformly. So accelerating uniformly means again what will come? Again what will come? Accelerating uniformly means? Clear?
Upside.
Yes or no?
So and out, sir.
Yes, Mari.
So uniform motion means we can't say it as a linear graph, sir. Like it's linear to.
Mari, how Mari you can say it is velocity time graph, Mari. Uniform motion means acceleration is zero, Mari. Velocity time graph.
Yes, sir.
That's all, Mari. Then it is parallel to x-axis, correct? Are you clear? Acceleration is zero means parallel to x-axis, correct, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Clear, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Any other having any doubt? You can ask. So uniform deacceleration, uniform acceleration, and uniform motion. Is it okay, guys? Agalya, Shivani,
Yes, sir.
please make it. Next. Can I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Right, next question. Please mute yourself. Next question. Draw the following graphs. Draw the following graphs. 1. Distance time graph for body at rest. Distance time graph for body at rest. Clear, everybody? Next, velocity time graph for uniform motion. Velocity time graph for what motion? Velocity time graph for what motion? Everybody? Uniform motion. Clear? Sanjay, respond. Sailesh, Gokul. Velocity time graph for non-uniform motion. Velocity time graph for non-uniform motion. Non-uniformly accelerated motion. Non-uniform motion is like accelerated motion. Next, velocity time graph for uniformly accelerated motion. Ellame clear? Respond, guys. Now, how the graph will come? Can you tell me? X-axis, draw fastly. Very first one. What is the first one, Ra? Respond.
Distance time graph.
Distance time graph. So
Distance
distance
time
time
graph.
graph. Distance time graph, but body at rest. Body at rest
Rest.
means how? How the graph will come?
Parallel
Constant.
to x-axis.
Very good. Distance time graph, body at rest means parallel to x-axis. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's all. So please write it. So here what will come? This is x-axis. Time will come. And here what will come?
Distance.
Distance in meters. Next. Fastly. First graph over. Second graph. Velocity time graph. So velocity time graph uniform motion means just now Mane asked for the question. Agalya, respond. Girls not at all responding. Very, very bad it
The
is.
same, sir.
Sangamitrai also.
So same.
Sir,
Bad it is.
parallel to
Nothing
x-axis.
studying Sangamitrai. Always wasting time only. Tell me, what will happen? Everybody. Velocity time graph. Velocity time graph uniform motion means what is the acceleration?
Sir, 0.
0. That is you must know.
Parallel to
first
one.
Shivani,
Sir.
do it. Acceleration is 0 because it is velocity time graph and it is uniform motion. If velocity time graph uniform motion means acceleration immediately what? Everybody, 0.
0.
That you should remember. Mr. Lingesh, what is happening? Are you making?
Yes, sir.
Next, third graph. What is the third graph? Velocity time graph, but velocity is increasing uniformly or non-uniformly?
Non-uniformly.
Non-uniformly accelerating. So that upward curve, upward curve or downward curve? Non-uniformly accelerating. Upward curve
Sir,
or
curved upwards.
Curved, sir.
Curved. Curved upwards.
Curved upwards.
Curved velocity time.
Curved upwards.
Now one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, non-uniformly, non-accelerated motion, they will ask us, sir.
Non-uniformly accelerated motion. It is. Non-uniformly
Yes.
non-accelerated won't be Mari. That is that you will take it never come graph. It will never come. Already body is non-uniform, no acceleration.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is
Sir, if the curve is on that side,
decreasing accelerating. It is
yes, sir.
increasing. Downwards means this decreasing. Sorry, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Shivani doing Sangamitra, you not responding, leave from the meeting. No issues. Whomever it is. Mr. Sailesh, you also. Next draw. Last one. What is the last one?
VT graph for uniformly
Velocity
accelerated.
time velocity.
Uniformly accelerated motion. So what will come, Rakishore? Uniformly accelerated motion. VT graph for uniformly accelerated motion. How it will come?
Linear, sir.
Inclined to linear, but inclined to which?
Time axis.
Time axis. Bra. Elame clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please make it. Sanjay, you understood or not? Agalya, Mr. Darshan, Nivedan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write it. So that's all about it. Now we are going to solve 4 numericals for our today's class. So one by one we'll solve. So let's write the first question. Question number 1. A car acquires a velocity of 72 km per hour in 10 seconds. Silas, are you there? Okay. In 10 seconds, starting from rest. Please mute somebody making air sound. Starting from rest. Find A part, the acceleration. Starting from rest means what is the initial velocity?
0.
0.
Zero.
Next, the average velocity and the distance traveled. In this time. So these are the 3 things you have to find. So let me see first one. Who will say that? First, given data, tell me what you understand. Tell me, everybody. Question. So it is now decreasing velocity or increasing velocity? Increasing velocity. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because car is starting from rest. So let me take
Yes, sir.
now. So I'm having a car whose initial velocity is starting from rest. So starting from rest means initial velocity is what? 0.
Zero.
And it acquires after 10 seconds, it acquires a velocity of final velocity. But final velocity given in what? Kilometer per hour. We must convert into what? Meters. So kilometer per hour to meter per second. How to convert it? We have to
Five-
multiply with
5 by
5 by 18.
5 by 18.
Kishore, Teriyuma, Kishore?
Yes, sir.
5 by 18. Tell me 18 table 5 where it will come? 24, 72. 18 ones are 18. 18 fours are. Table
Fours are.
no, Kishore. 20 meter per second. That is the final velocity. That is what. So now you tell me what is that? Now we want to find Roman number 1. What is the Roman number 1? All of you. Acceleration. Yes or no? So acceleration A is equals to what is the formula? Kishore only will say. Others wait. Kishore will say acceleration formula. Kishore.
Change in velocity divided by time taken.
Formula tell me. Of course I know. Very good. Change in
Initial
velocity.
velocity.
Who is saying? Kishore only.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, Kishore.
Initial velocity minus final velocity divided by.
Ray. Change in velocity, ra.
Sir, yes, sir.
What is the formula? Final velocity or initial velocity? Everything very, very bad. Final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Enna tambi? We're saying initial velocity minus final velocity. So final velocity is 20, initial velocity is 0, time taken is 10. So what is the answer, guys? Everybody?
2, sir.
20 by 10, which is
2, sir.
equals to
2.
2 meter per second square. 2 meter per second
Second square.
square.
Inara Kishore, the formula itself you don't know. Very, very bad, Kishore. This is. I'll kick you, Kishore, surely. Completed, all of you. Next, average velocity. Can you tell me what is the average velocity formula? It is uniform velocity.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, Mari.
Total displacement by total time.
formula differs now, sir.
But it is uniform acceleration, Mari. It is uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration means V average formula. V average formula. Initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. Do you
By
remember? Uniform
sir.
acceleration. That is what it is. So 0 plus 20 divided by 2, which is equals to 20 by 2. What is the average velocity? Everybody? 10 meter per second. Please remember. Is it correct or not, Agalya? Uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration means what is the V average formula? Initial velocity plus final velocity by time. Next, distance traveled. Which equation you can use? You can use which equation? You know initial velocity, you know final velocity.
Second equation.
You can use second or third, your choice. Your choice you can use. So let us use third equation. So V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. So S is equals to what? Everybody respond. V square minus U square divided by 2A. Yes or no, guys? Everybody, others, what
Sir.
happened? Leave from
Yes,
the.
sir.
I will teach only one or
Yes,
two.
sir.
Final velocity is 20. So
Sir,
20.
one doubt, sir.
Yes, Mari.
Can we use S is equal to 80? You
Nothing will happen. You will get it.
yes.
If you know time and if you know that, you can use it. And acceleration is 2. So which is equals to 20 square divided by 4. So 20 square means
100.
400. 20 square means not 100. So 4 ones are 400.
400.
It is equals to what? What is the distance traveled by a body?
100
100
meter.
meters.
100 meters. Lingesh, you got wrong answer. Yes, Mr. Lingesh. Acceleration you found 6.12 meter per second square. I don't know how it is. Okay, wa? Yes. All of you solve it now. Any doubt, ask me. Nivedan, Sangamitra will never respond because we don't want, we don't bother about. You should say yes or not. Answer you should say. After asking, saying yes or not, you should involve in the class and you should say. Mr. Kishore, all the three equations of motion, tell me. Mr. Kishore, I am asking you all the three equations of motion. No, don't know. Gokul Raj.
Sir,
Sir, can I?
the first question is,
Ah,
sir, can I tell?
yes, no, not. When I am asking you how to tell. Tell fastly. What are the three equations of motion?
V is equal to U plus 80.
V equals to U plus 80. Sangamitra, second equation, tell me. So what is the second equation?
S is equal to UT plus half plus 80 square.
Half plus half 80 square. Half plus half plus 80 square. Third equation. V square minus U square is equals to everybody.
2AS.
Yes.
UT plus half 80 square. Understand, Sangamitra? Again, half plus won't come. Mute yourself, everybody. Those who are making disturbance. Next question. First question over. Right. Second question. Question number 2. The brakes applied to a car. The brakes means decreasing or increasing? Well, acceleration. Brakes
Decreasing.
decreasing. The brakes applied to a car produces an acceleration of 6 meter per second square. 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction. Opposite direction means it is acceleration or deacceleration. Acceleration or deacceleration. But question they mentioned acceleration. So you have to take minus 6 plus 6. They're mentioning axle
-6.
-6. Be very careful. Opposite direction to the motion. Clear, Mr. Gokul Raj? Focus on the class. If the car takes 2 seconds to stop. 2 seconds to stop. Stop means what is the velocity? Final velocity. After the
Zero.
zero.
0.
Yeah. Final velocity or initial velocity?
Final velocity.
Final.
Because applying brakes. Calculate the distance it travels during this time. Is it okay, everybody? சொல்லுங்க தம்பி. Shall we start? Sanjay,
Yes, sir.
response Sanjay, nothing doing. I don't know what is happening. Okay. So do here. So observe very carefully. Given data, tell me. Given data.
Sir, given data is
Acceleration is equal to
acceleration is equal to minus
minus 6
meter
meter per second square. Came to rest. Final velocity
Came to rest 0, sir.
0 meter per second. Time taken to come to rest.
2
2 seconds.
seconds.
The 25 sec.
Understanding? Now,
Sir, we need to find the initial velocity also, sir.
yeah, they are asking calculate the distance it travels during this time. So if you want to calculate the distance means you need to know two things. What is that? Yes, please. First, suppose, sir, if I want to use second equation, I need to know two things. One is initial velocity and time. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I want to
Yes,
use
sir.
third equation, I need to know initial velocity and final velocity. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but both the cases we
Yes,
don't know initial velocity. Yes or no? Then
Yes, sir.
we have to,
Yes,
if you
sir.
want to find the distance, first you need to know what? If you want to use second equation or third equation, you need to know what, guys? Initial velocity.
Initial
So
velocity.
initial velocity by using a given data, which equation we can use to find the initial velocity?
First equation.
First
E equals
equation.
to u plus at.
First equation.
Now u is equals to, I will say, v minus at. Is it okay, va? Ellame clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This plus 80 will come this side minus 80. Okay, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what will happen, Mari? Final velocity is 0. Initial velocity, sorry, minus. Acceleration is what? Minus 6 into time is equals to 2. So which is equals to minus into minus plus. 6 2s are how much? 6 2s are 12 meter per second. So what is the initial velocity?
12 meter
12
per
meter.
second.
12 meter per second.
Now you can apply second equation or third equation. So which is easy? Second
Third equation.
Yeah, second equation.
third.
I'll have a third equation. So from third equation, v square minus u square is equals to what? 2as.
2 years.
S is equals to what, Gokul Raj? U square by v square minus u square divided by.
2 years.
Okay. Final velocity is 0 minus initial velocity is what? Plus 12 or
12.
12 plus 12. Okay, I put minus, sorry. 12 square divided by 2 into acceleration is what? Plus 6 or minus 6?
Minus 6.
So 12 square means what? 144 divided by 6 into 2 minus 12. So minus minus will get cancelled. So 144 divided by 12. 12 square. 12 square is equals to how much? 12 only. 12 square is equals to how much?
12.
The 12.
Yeah.
144, sir. 12
Yeah.
square.
12 ones are 12 are. So what is the answer?
12. 12 meter.
12 meters.
Meter.
That is what. That's all. Clear? Solve it now. 2 minutes time. Make it fast. Everybody. Slowly, neatly solve. Agalya Puriyama Puriyada. Shivani.
Yes, sir.
Do it now. Do you all understand why we should find the initial velocity here? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Why we should
Yes,
find
sir.
initial velocity?
Sir, without initial velocity, we can't progress the sum, sir.
Very good. So if without knowing the initial velocity, you people cannot find the distance. Is it okay, guys? Indama?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Completed. Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, next question. A body covers a distance of L meters. Question 3. A body covers a distance of L meters along a semicircular path. Be very careful. Along a what path?
Semicircle.
Circular path.
Semicircular path. Semicircular path means complete circle or half circle?
Half circle.
Half circle.
Semicircular path. Calculate the magnitude of displacement. Calculate the magnitude of what, guys?
Magnitude of displacement.
Magnitude of displacement of the body and the ratio of distance and displacement. And the ratio of distance and what is that? Distance and displacement. Is it okay, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So let me see now how to find. You cannot find in normal way this one. Why? It is not no data. I have checked it. First given data, tell me. So what is the given data?
Distance is equal to L meters.
Yeah. So distance traveled by a body is equals to L meters. So write that. Distance is equals to L meters. Yes or no? Now,
Yeah.
so what path it is? Check that. What path it is?
Semicircular path.
Circular path. எல்லாமே தெரியுமா semicircular path? Semicircular path தெரியுமா தெரியாதா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is also a part of, we all knows, it is also a part of this is a
So why you
semicircular path.
drawing downwards, sir?
You can draw upward also, Mari, nothing wrong. Whatever your choice, Mari.
Yes.
Okay, va? Your choice, Amma. Clear? Yes,
Yes, sir.
everybody. So let me take this point is A, this point is B. So from A to B, totally what we used to call?
Diameter.
What we used to call? Everybody?
Diameter.
Diameter. Means from here to here radius, from here to here also radius. Now, so observe very carefully and tell me, if R is the radius of the semicircular path, so they have given that what is the length traveled by the body? Everybody, it has traveled some L meters. So then can you tell me if R is the radius of semicircular, it is not circular, semicircular path. So if it is a complete circular, we all people knows one complete circle. What is the radius normally? All of you, basically area. Distance equals to what is the formula? Respond. Everybody.
2 pi r.
Distance is equals to 2 pi r. Yes or no? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Now. Yes. Now you see, if it is
Half pi r.
half circle, half means what, guys? Half means what? S is equals to 2 pi r by 2. 2 will
2
get
by r by 2.
is equals to pi r. Yes or no? Yes, please. Yes, sir. Yeah, if R is the radius of the semicircular path, S is equals to pi r. Is it okay, guys? Everybody clear? Will you accept it me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Now, we all knows from the given question, distance traveled by the body, how many meters? Solunga. How many meters?
L meters.
L meters. Means can I say L is equals to pi r? Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, then from that, R is equals to what, Ra? R is equals to what? L by pi. Is it okay, Mari? Will you accept it? Understood?
The only one doubt, sir.
Hmm.
How you got this L, sir?
See, S is
L
equals to L, Ra. S is equals to L, Ra, Mari. Distance equals to the length they have given.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I got R is equals to L by pi. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt means you can ask me. Next, magnitude of displacement. Displacement means what will come. We all know. Displacement means what? Everybody.
Shortest
Shortest.
shortest path.
So shortest
Shortest
path means what is
path.
that? Yeah, magnitude. Magnitude means what? Magnitude of displacement means what, man? Diameter. Is it yes or no? Everybody. Yes, please respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, diameter.
Yes, sir.
Diameter is equals to what? 2 times of radius. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now can you tell me? R means we got it something. R means what? R means what?
L by
L by pi. So then what is the displacement? What is the displacement? 2L by pi. Is it okay, va? Yes.
2L by.
Lingesh, understood, Lingesh?
Yes, sir.
Now they are asking what? Distance I found. What is the distance? L is equals to pi r and the diameter displacement is equals to 2L by pi. Okay, va, Mari?
Yes,
Now they are
sir.
asking ratio of distance by displacement. Somebody is saying already answer. Lingesh, wrong answer. Wait. Distance by displacement. You have done wrong. Displacement. Now you see. Distance equals to what? Tell me, everybody. Distance equals to what? We already know. L.
L.
Distance equals to what? L. Correct or not? Everybody. Displacement
Yes,
is equals to 2L by pi.
2 by
2L by pi. Clear? So now,
Yes, sir.
repeat, everybody. This will turns into like this. L into pi divided by 2L. Is it right or wrong?
2L.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now what will
So
happen?
then mean L is 2.
Yeah, LL will get cancelled. What is the ratio?
Pi 2.
Pi 2 illa. Pi by 2. Clear?
Divided by
Only one doubt, sir.
Again doubt. Tell me, Mari.
Sir, no, sir. The 2R is having no, sir. 2 radius. After that, how did you get the 2L radius, sir? 2L by pi. 2L by pi.
Mari, we know L is equals to pi r, correct, Mari?
Yes, sir.
And from that I am writing R is equals to L by pi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then
Then I am substituting in place of R, I am substituting L by pi. In
Yes,
place of
sir.
R, am I not substitute?
We can substitute, sir.
That's all. Then
Without substitution, can't we do the problem?
we cannot, Mari, because we want to find the displacement and distance both, correct? They have given distance equals to L. And if you want to find the displacement means displacement